Is your iPhone keyboard not typing some letters or freezing? This is a common issue, usually caused by small software glitches or settings problems. Here's how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Restart dictation. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Keyboard. Scroll down and turn off Enable Dictation. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now test your keyboard to see if it's working. Solution 2. Remove third-party keyboards. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Keyboard. Tap Keyboards, then tap Edit in the top right. Remove any third-party keyboards by tapping the red minus button and deleting them. Check if your default keyboard is working properly now. Solution 3. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode if needed and confirm. Now test your keyboard again. These steps should fix most keyboard issues on your iPhone. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes and tips.